All right, now let's use the widget that we've just made, this chat widget for the groups. We know that here on the one-to-one chats we can see the count of unread messages here. Now it's time to use it even here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is let's remove that and push this side. So here we need to change some more things. We need to add some more things here in here. All right, so the first thing that we are going to do is let's not pass this first, because we can just directly read the UID from here. Okay, let's import that, and then let's remove that. And then the other thing is this, instead of passing it as chat, let's pass it as let's name it what are we going to name it? Okay, it's fine, we can name it as chat, but let's put it as nullable. Okay, and then let's also pass another one, which is going to be the group message. Okay, the group model. So the group model also we are going to pass it as nullable. So it's going to depend. We can either pass this or this one. Depending on that, we are going to know what we are passing. And then also here, let's pass a bool, which is going to be is group. Okay, is group, like that. So yeah, I think we just need to pass these, and then now down here we need to be checking where we are getting the data. Okay, so first let's check where we are getting the last message. Okay, so I'm going to say get the last message. So here we are going to check first. We will check if this chat is now, then we are not getting it from chat, we'll get it from the group. Okay, that's what we are going to check. So here let's say final last message. This we are going to check if chat is not equal to now. Okay, exactly what Copilot is doing. Okay, we will check if chat this is not equal to now, we will get the last message from the chat, else we will get the last message from the group. Okay, so that down here we can just reference, we can just call the last message. Okay, now we'll do the same also to get the sender ID, get the sender UID. So now Copilot knows where we are getting the data. Here we'll check if this is not now, we'll get it from chat. Here else we'll get it from group. So group here, it's called also sender ID. Okay, and then after that, what else are we going to get? Let's get the date time. Okay, get the date and time. So here we are going to do the same. Now this time sent, that's what we are going to get, so that we can use it here, because we don't want to do this twice. Okay, what we can do is let's remove, or what we do is we will check, let's copy that. So if chat is not now, we'll get it from that. In the else we'll get it, what's that now, in the else we'll get it from there. Now we don't need to do all of this. Okay, here is where we need to put so this, let's name this as a time sent. Let's copy that, paste it here, and then let's remove that. Okay, because this time sent you are getting it here, and then now we are getting the date time here. Okay, now after that, what else we need to get? We need to get the image URL. Okay, so get the image URL. So we are going to do the same. If chat.contact, if this is not now, we'll get from contact image. I also get from group image. Okay, so next, get the name. It's that, of course, it's just the same thing, you guys can go through. And then now to get the time, because this is just the date time. Okay, Now let's get the time. Okay, let's get it just here because we're supposed to get it. So final time, it's going to be no, we need to put this date time. Okay, so here we need to do format. Okay, we've already gotten the time here. This date time. Okay, yeah, what am I thinking? We've already gotten the time. Okay, let's remove that and then let's check. We don't need this anymore. We need also a message type. Okay, let's say get message type. Get message type. Let's get that message type the same way we are getting the other things. And then now that we've gotten all of that, we just need to put them here. Okay, so this contact image, we need to put the image. Did we get the image? Yeah, image URL. So here we need to put image URL, and then the name here we need to put the name, and then here we need to put the message type, and then to write, if we are the one who have written the message here, we need to put this in a column, okay, in a row. So let's wrap this with a row widget, and then the first child here, we are going to check first if UID is equal to, yeah, great. No, not like that. We don't want to put like that. First, yeah, we are checking if UID is equal to sender UID. Instead of this icon, we want to put a text. Okay, this text, it says U. Okay, that's how we want to put it, and then let's just give it some style. If you are the one who have sent the message, this comes from text style. And then here, let's just give it a font weight, which is font weight dot bold. That's it. And then let's have a constant keyword here. Okay, so yeah, it wants us to put the constant here. Yeah, so else we'll put the size box, and then if we come down here where this is a contact ID, we have a contact ID on top there. What else? Yeah, I think that's about it. Now we just need to figure it out, and also maybe this stream builder, let's extract a widget. Okay, so this, let's call it as a unread message counter. Okay, yeah, so that we can format this, and then now we can remove it also from here. Let's cut it and put it in the widgets. Unread message counter .dat. We can paste that there, then just import all of these that we need to import. All right, we can close that, then we can import that. Okay, now let's also remove what we don't need. Now we can go where we are calling this. What's the problem? Okay, here we need to say this dot group, and then also, so let's put it here. Then what else? Required this dot is group. Yeah, then we can come back here where we're using it. So here we need to pass that. So if we pass this, then it's there, we are not in the group. And then next we need to pass, we are not passing the UID anymore. What we are passing is the is group. Okay, is group. So this, we're just going to say false here, all right, because we are not in a group chat right now. If we hot restart, nothing is going to change because we have just given it we have just made it reusable. Okay, you can see that you get inside here, say let's test again. You can see that it's working. Okay, great. So in the next video we are going to go now to the groups here and reuse that same widget. Okay, thank you guys, and see you in the next video.